Hey chili heads, welcome back to Red or Green. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. So let me just say to start off that New Mexicans, we love our chili and we love to put our chili in just about everything. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take some of this red chili caribe and we're going to blend it in with this silky smooth Alfredo sauce. So this recipe was actually inspired as a request from one of our subscribers. And you know, if there are any recipes that you would like to see on the channel, please leave a comment down below and we'll do our best to get it on the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit post notifications so that anytime we release a video, you'll get notified right away. So I think you're really going to like this recipe, and let's get to it.